are... Okay, it's not focusing. Okay. Right, guys. We are going to the fort. Excuse my face. We are going to the fort, which is the shopping center, to buy Alba's clothes today. I need to declutter his drawers because wala nang kasya sa kanya, guys. I feel like nag-stretch na naman siya. So, bibilin natin siya today ng mga kailangan niya. He needs shorts, t-shirts, long sleeves. Maybe long sleeve is not so much. But we'll get him a few long sleeves and pants and socks.
So why do you need socks and pants?
And pajamas too.
And what's pajamas do?
Okay, let's go, guys. I'll get you there because I need my maps. See, guys.
Hey, Mama.
Where are you going? You want this way? Okay, dito na kami, guys. Let's go shopping. So, guys, itong pink. Pero the rest, medyo malaki na siya eh. Yan, dalawa malaki na to. Ito lang. Kunin ko to.
Mom, there's vampires.
Oh dear.
And there's a ghost. And an overhead. And a skeleton. And a...
Not working that one.
Can we do that?
Hmm?
Can we do that?
Wait, we need to get your clothes first. Ito na yung mga nabili namin sa Zara, guys. Itong buong bag. Kita ba?
Mommy. Where is the guitar? Where's the guitar? The one that's on.
Dito, guys, sale na sila. Oh, clearance na yung mga damit. Tingin tayo sa panglalaki. Dito ba pang boys? Pang boys dito. Here, the other side. Dito, pang lalaki. Pang age ni Alba to. So, ang bibili natin is mga pang 5 na kasi 4 na siya ngayon eh. 4.5 na eh. So, mga 5 na tayo. This is size 3, size 2. Saan ang 5, guys? I think 5 is the other side na. 0. Tapos na kami, guys. So, ang another one na lang is H&M na dadaanan namin. Hopefully, guys, tapos na kaming mag-shopping.
Now pink now.
Yes, yes. Go and get your big paper upstairs. Or you want the small paper?
What? Which one is the small one? You have that, Mama. Mama, I'm gonna pick up.
Do you want your ball inside the house?
No. Mama, you leave it there, Mama, in the car.
It's okay.
Okay. So
Okay, guys. Let's, prepare the food. Oh, that's a nice one.
ano, Mama?
So, Alba is doing paint, guys, habang ako ay ready ng aming dinner. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung mga ingay na maririnig ninyo. Nasa kusina ako, guys. So, let's madali. Magpe-paint siya. Hindi na daw siya magbabubble bath tonight. Kasi nga, ang pinili niya is painting. Okay guys, let's do the haul quickly before kami mag-dinner. So, pamili namin sa Asda, 3 pairs actually ng pajama ni Alba. T-shirt and short. Ganito siya. And a t-shirt and mahabang pajama. Yan. 3 piraso din siya guys. And new set of pants para kay Alba. 2 pack which is 20. 20 pounds. Ang dami, diba? 20 pants. Pero hopefully, kasi mabilis siya mag-ano guys. Siguro let's say 2 or maybe 2 or 3 a day. Pero minsan hindi. Minsan wala. Minsan isa lang. Pero okay. It's there. Ano pa ba? T-shirt na nabili ko guys. 350 Spider-Man.
Mama, is it okay if
Yeah,
I
ang
touch
ganda niya.
that? Mama, is it okay if I touch that?
You already touched the Alba.
It's okay.
And this one is naka-sale, 450 para sa 2 short. Ganyan siya. Diba? Yan. Itong mga nabili ko na guys, na mga to, is magagamit na ngayong summer, next year summer, hopefully, kasi 5 to 6 na siya eh. And hopefully sa holiday din namin magagamit siya. So, hindi ito yung pang ilang buwan lang guys. Bumili din siya ng 2 ganito.
Anymore. I'm not using that.
Okay, para sa
I'm just using that
bubble
with my
bath.
hand.
And then, another pa pala ng set ng pajama niya, 5 to 6-year-old din, is Spider-Man naman. Short din, t-shirt and short.
And jammies.
And then, may ito pa pala akong nabili sa Asda din to. Naka-sale din to guys. Mostly lang nabili ko guys is naka-sale. Yung pajama lang talaga na Asda yung hindi naka-sale. Pero
Jammies.
eto, ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 na set na to guys. 5 na piraso na ng damit ay 10. So, para siyang 2 pound each. So,
Good job.
maganda na siya. Ayan. And then, may katurno na rin siyang shorts guys. Which is another, 5 pieces din. So, may turno na siya. And then, trousers. Etong mga napamili ko na to is, Zara na to. So, yan. Trouser niya. Naka-sale din siya, guys. Grabe mag-sale dito. Parang ito half price. So, around, lahat ng napamili ko sa Zara, around 4 pound to 5 pounds lang. Ito ha. And then, another short from Zara. Ayan. Short uli sa Zara, guys. So, kayo na kwenta niyan. 4 pound, 4 pound.
Roxanne.
4 pound and 4 pound and 5 pounds. So, another trouser. Mukhang magkamukha sila nung isa, pero yung isa, walang bulsa sa gilid. Ito, parang may bulsa siya. So, yan. Maganda yung Zara. Prefer ko yung Zara for trousers ni Alba kasi maliit yung bewang. Tapos haba. Perfect. Perfect na perfect. Pero stretchable siya, guys. And then, t-shirt. So, diba? So, 1, 2, yun na. 2 t-shirt. Ilan pala nabili kong t-shirt kay Alba sa Zara? 1, 2, mostly trousers yata. 1, 2, 3, mostly trousers pala yung nabili ko kay Alba sa Zara. And short. So, 2 t-shirt. Akala ko more than, meron pa pala. Ito, kaya alam ko more than, eto, Mickey Mouse sa likod. So, 3.
Ask who was my hand.
And then another one.
Ask who was my
T-shirt.
hand.
So, 4. Right, no.
And
Right.
I'm just on the
Okay,
guy.
right. You wash your hand, please. Don't touch anything. Just wash your hand. Wash it properly. That's Alba's, guys. I think. Ay, wait lang. Meron pa pala yata. Meron pa siya, guys. So, H&M. Nakabili ako ng t-shirt. which is 3 pirasong t-shirt, guys. 5 pound. Grabe, mas mura pa sa H&M. So, ano ba? 1, 2, and then 3. Yan. 3. So, ilang t-shirt yung bibili ko? Ayan, bilangin ko. Okay. Ano pa ba? Hand wash, guys. Napamili ko ng hand wash kasi wala na kaming hand wash. And then, heat protector sa hair ko. Ano pa ba? And shampoo. Para kay Alba to. And then, ayun na. Akin naman, guys. So, namili din ako ng konti para sa sarili ko, guys. Ang tagal ko nung tinit sa shopping sa shop. Sa totoo lang. So, eto sa H&M, 3 pound. Lahat ng nakabili ko, sale. Wala talaga akong biling full price. So, 3 pound, guys.
Mama,
Sa
it's 30 in the
pang-alis.
bathroom.
And then, nakabili din ako ng, eto, guys. Ano siya dress. Oh, bongga, diba? Magkano to? 3 pound. Sino makakabili ng dress? Ganyan siya, oh. 3 pound siya, guys. Mas maganda siya pag nakasuot na. And then, eto, jumper is 10 pound. 10 pound na ba to? Jumper. For winter naman to, guys. So, oversize jumper siya. So, for winter, kasi wala ako. Kulang yung mga ganito ko. Mga panglamig. So, kapag rainy, pwede ko din ito isuot. Short, guys. Bumili din ako. Ayan. 3 pound din yan. Or 2 pound maybe. Let me see. 2 pound. Oh, diba? 2 pound. And then, so, eto guys is dress from H&M as well. Pang-holiday to guys or, oo, pang-holiday namin. So, we're not going on holiday anytime soon. But this is, pwede ding pag mga maaraw-araw dito. 8 pound lang siya, guys.
Okay.
This one is the Zara one na nabili ko. 70% off na sila, guys. And,
Why you not cooking yet?
I'm cooking.
Have some log.
You need to dry first, not dry. You need to get the red. Why did you put it back? So, parang may ganito na ako, guys, nung nag-Italy kami, diba?
What?
So, eto ay... Yes, sabi ko mas
Mommy!
70% off siya,
Mommy!
guys. So, let's...
Mommy!
Yes, baba. Okay, sinukat ko to. And gumagana siya. Pa-halter. Dress din siya, guys. So, maganda sila. And long dress sila, guys. And it's actually not too bad yung lengthwise para sa akin. So, ayun na lahat ng nabili ko, guys. Anyway, we're going to eat. And, yun. Kakain muna kami, guys. At ito pa pala last na nabili ko. The Ordinary Skincare.
You didn't get to shoot that. Sorry.
So, ayun lang. So, anyway, kakain na kami, guys. Kasi gutom na talaga ako. Pakainin ko rin anak ko.